Hello everyone, Josh Ryan, your local Central West Virginia, local CSX Railfan here. I'm in the state of Nashville, Tennessee, the CSX radnor yard in the local, perfect for a Railfan hotspot. Located on the state of Nashville, Tennessee. One of the home of Nashville, Tennessee division officers at a crew change point. As you can see, there's you can see on in front of you, there's an autorack distribution terminal right there, and on to your right, there's right there by the CSX radnor yard, the hump yard, and the intermodal facility cars, and then the local repair facility shop right there. So let's see what the train action happens next. Go ahead and start the video, son. That's kind of look familiar. That's kind of look familiar. Here comes the locomotive! Here coming your way! Bye! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! 2426! 2426! And 1478! Wow! Unforgettable, man! That was impressive. With SD 40-2 and free locomotive right there. That was beautiful, precisely there. Whoa, what was that? That was the screeching tire sound I have ever heard of. Uh-oh. I see another train coming to push in ahead. Train coming! Dead ahead! It's a great day for train action here at the CSX radnor yard in the state of Nashville, Tennessee. Perfect for visiting Railfan hotspot to keep it away from the trespassing that matter at all costs. There goes the London engine power move. Heading to get to the hump yard classification, I believe. And then you're coming for yard action switchers for CSX Radnor Yard in the state of Nashville, Tennessee. So this is Josh Ryan, your local West Virginia, local CSX Railfan, and we are out.